How foolish. Just like he tried to rebel in heaven and be God. He still doesn't stop. And he tried it again through Jesus Christ to divide the Godhead, further damning him. He never will, because God is sovereign. God is unity. God is oneness. He doesn't try to be them. He is. And the enemy tries all he can. And that's why, as we've read in Ephesians 4, it brings us into unity, into agreement. It helps us to be patient with one another. It helps us to be long-suffering. It helps us to pray the best, to see the best, to see our brother and sister come through, or repent, or get delivered from that sin. That is the nature and heart. That is what dwelling in unity does. We're patient of others' shortcomings. We want to be patient. You want God to be patient with you. Well, are we patient with others? That is always the question. It's our responsibility to keep the unity. The pastor can't do it all. We rely too much, don't we, on the pastor? But it's your responsibility as well as mine. That's what body ministry is about. What does it say in John 17, the Gospel of John 17, verses 20, 26. John 17, 20, 26. I do not pray for these alone, but also for those who will believe in me through their word, that they all may be one, as you, Father, are in me and I in you, that they also may be one in us, that the world may believe that you sent me. And the glory which you gave me I give them, that they may be one just as we are one. So God has given it to us through Jesus Christ. He's given us as a gift this dwelling together in unity and harmony. For the very purpose, because it's what is in them, the Godhead, that we all can be one. I in them and you in me.